Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most sought after items in Terraria, the Enchanted Sword. This powerful sword is crucial for crafting the Zenith War sword and can be game changer early in your playthrough. To find the Enchanted Sword, you will need to locate enchanted shrines. These shrines are rare and can be tricky to find. These typically appear to a surface level to make sure you are not digging too deep. You can use items like the Jester's arrow to light up the ground and spot these shrines more easily. Besides shrines, you can also find the enchanted sword in gold and titanium crafts. However, the drop rate is low, so it might take some time. Another method is using specific wall seeds which can guarantee to sword location. If you want a more reliable method, you can use specific wall seeds. For example, the seed 11111258527751 can lead you directly to enchanted wall sword. This method is especially useful if we are having trouble find shrinks. Thanks for today's video. This enchanted sword is valuable asset in Terraria, and with these tips you should be able to find one quickly. Don't forget to like and comments and subscribe for more tech related problem solving contents. Thanks for watching.